So now I'd like to invite up on stage for the welcome note. Please remember to give him a huge round of applause. He's one of our own, Mr. Sujith Unni. He's the regional head of Nasscom. Sujith has been a mentor to the AWS community in Kochi, and he's in charge of the Kerala regional operations of Nasscom. He was previously the executive at Confederations of Indian Industry. He holds an engineering degree from Anna University and a master's in business administration from Mahatma Gandhi University, where he was honored with the Best Alumni Award in 2018. The community leaders swear by his mentoring abilities, and we're absolutely thrilled to have Sujith set the tone for today's event. With a huge round of applause, can we have Sujith on stage, please?
Thank you, Ramesh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure and honor to be here. A couple of you might have seen me. I work with Nasscom. And since Ramesh was asking, like, how many of you have been attending this AWS Community Day for the first time, it's really awesome. Almost 50% of the people I could see, they have been attending AWS Community Day for the first time. That's a vibrancy which I can see, and the community is being, growing all these years. It's been an immense pleasure, and taking this opportunity to being a part of a fellow member of this community is my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all for the 2024 Community Day event in Kochi, happening in Holiday Inn. If you look at, this is being started maybe in 2017-18 with a humble note and kind of an ambitious thing, which we wanted to have a peer group learning and create a small community of people where they can share their thoughts, leadership, and learn from the community. That was the thought which we had when Dijesh and team put this together in 2017-18. And the first community day has happened in 2019. Suppose that it was the pandemic, and the team has been resilient, and then the community people, they have been an active participation in the AWS India Community Day and also with the Asia thing as well. So we have got a lot of participations from our own team. And over the years, I think in 2022 and 23, we had come back with this offline sessions of AWS Community Day, which was again very fruitful. And the beauty of this, as Nasscom, we love to see that the beauty of this community is like, it's a peer group kind of a learning which has been happening. I was just telling to Gautam, saying that, long back when I started my career in Nasscom way back in 2011, when we started doing something called, tech series in Kerala, we find it difficult to get people in the room because, the founders, they will see that sharing my colleague or sharing my tech guy for a program kind of a thing, a poaching can happen. So we used to, go along with the CEOs and say that, bro, this is something different. You should send your techies out, and, that's the way we should, the community grows in, and that's the way it should learn. So now I think we have been doing this tech series in Kerala, I think for the last 10 years. So we used to have a similar tech series in Trivandrum for the last 10 years. Every month, every first Wednesday, we used to do this. So that's how it's being grown. And the people who have been there, attending this event continuously for the last 4 years, hats off to you. And thank you so much for, contributing to this community and, being part of one among them. So coming back, for the newcomers who have been there for the first time, this is something which, there are another 2-3 things which you need to learn from this. One is being in the community is good. Second thing is the networking thing. Obviously, much of your colleagues and Razim was also talking about, say hi to your guys who are sitting next to you. So that is one skill which you need to learn, is the networking ability and networking skills. So that being from a college days, so you're starting to a career, something like that. These networking skills will definitely take you to places for sure. So start doing that, start learning the skill. This is something where, you could definitely learn a lot. A lot of leaders are there. So let me welcome all the, the leaders from AWS, our sponsors, and the light speakers who have been joined from all the, companies like Mindcurv, I think IBS, Antstack, and many others are there. So let me welcome each and every one of you to this Community Day. And all the participants are heartily welcome to this Kochi Community Day 2024. I just also want to tell one more thing, which we have been, being Nasscom, we have been working with AWS closely, recently one. People who have been working with cybersecurity here, then this might be of interest to you. You might have heard about Nasscom has a sister organization called DSCI, Data Security Council of India. So we have started working with AWS recently. There is an incubation facility for Data Security Council of India, Pan-India. So we have been incubating around 140 plus startups who have been exclusively for cybersecurity with the support of Center of Excellences being run by Data Security Council of India. So what I meant to say that with AWS, we have been running a cohort. So if you are interested in working on generative AI on cybersecurity, this is a right opportunity for you. Because when we are talking about, along with Gautam, so one of the challenges many of these startups and SMEs have is the GTM, the go-to-market strategy. So being a large player in AWS, they will help you in terms of taking an opportunity to work with them in terms of their go-to-market strategies, their expertise, their platforms. All these things have been available. So kindly make use of this. We have got around some 45 actionable kind of a business models with us. So we'll be running across with them in terms of getting it to a scalable kind of a business model, and help you out in terms of doing that. So if you want to reach out, please reach out to Nasscom. You can find me somewhere. Just search Nasscom, or maybe take my email ID, Nasscom, Sujith@nasscom.in. Please write to us. We'll be so happy to help you out. So this is the day, and of learning. This is the day of networking. All these sessions are being there. We have got panel discussions. We have got hands-on workshops. We have got keynotes. So kindly delve into this. Kindly immerse into this session. And it's a Saturday again, but so happy to see all good faces out, a room full of techies, enthusiasts, cloud experts put together. So make maximum out of this session, and all the very best. And thank you so much.
Can we have a loud round of applause for Sujith, please?
This is lovely.
Thank you so much, Sujith. Thank you, Sanuj. I'd like to reiterate the 2 points Sujith spoke about. Today is all about learning and networking. Please make sure you say hi to the person you're seated next to, the person ahead of you, the person behind you.